Hey, what's going on everyone? Welcome to Generation Unravel. And in this video, I'm going to teach you how to fix screen share audio not working on Discord. First things first, you have to be on the Discord app itself and not the browser version of Discord. The user interface will be different if you try to screen share, so let's go to General here and then click on Share Your Screen. This will be different from the browser version. Also, the browser version only shares system audio and not the audio of the app you want to screen share. So what you have to avoid is the screens. This will not share any audio. If we try and screen share our Discord here, this should share your audio, and if that does not work, let's just stop streaming here and go to our user settings. Click voice and video and scroll all the way down till you see use experimental method to capture audio from applications. This should already be turned on, and if that doesn't share your audio, try turning it off, and then maybe that fixes your issue. If that does not work, we go here to registered games, and then click on add it, and add the application you want to screen share with the audio, and that should fix your issue. That will be all for this video, and if you like the video, remember to click that like button, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy how-tos. Thanks for watching.